Hello and welcome to another video where we will discover the ChatGPT strategy for guaranteed success in 2023 that'll surely make you $10,000 a month. So, what are we waiting for? Let's begin. In today's video, I'm thrilled to share with you an incredible opportunity that requires no prior experience or specialized skills, making it accessible to anyone looking to generate income. This beginner-friendly approach will empower you to embark on a journey toward financial success, regardless of your background or expertise. So let's dive right into this transformative method and unlock the door to new possibilities. Step 1. Visit Riverside, a game-changing website that I'm about to introduce. Our first stop is a nifty AI tool located at riverside.fm/transcription. This tool will make you feel like you have your very own transcription wizard. It specializes in quickly converting audio or video into accurate text files. You'll be amazed at how precise and reliable the transcriptions are. It's like having an unbeatable personal assistant who never misses a beat. The best part is its support for over 100 languages. Whether you speak Japanese, Korean, French, or Spanish, this AI-powered tool can handle it effortlessly. It's also worth mentioning that it supports various file formats such as MP3, WAV, MP4, MOV, and more. No matter what kind of audio or video file you have, this tool handles it like a pro. But wait, there's more. This platform stands out among others because it offers unlimited transcriptions for free, without requiring sign-up or any obligations. This cutting-edge AI-powered tool makes the transcription process as smooth as silk. Step 2. Transcribe a video. Now that you're on the website, simply select the language you want to transcribe your video. Click the Transcribe button to choose your desired language once logged in. Prepare to be amazed as this tool works its magic and transcribes the entire video in seconds. It's truly remarkable. Now you have two options at your disposal. You can either copy the transcription directly from the tool or download it as a convenient file. Friendly tip: a downloadable file is handy. You can easily share or refer to it when needed. Step 3. Offer it as a service on Upwork. Now let's move on to the third step in our lucrative plan. This step revolves around transforming your transcription skills into cold hard cash. Let's get started without delay. Head over to Upwork, the go-to platform for freelancers like us. It's a bustling marketplace where various gigs, including transcription jobs, can be found. Once you're on Upwork, initiate a search by typing Transcribe jobs in the search bar, and voila! You'll be presented with many opportunities eagerly awaiting someone with exceptional transcription abilities. Here's a handy pro tip. Instead of submitting a mundane proposal, why not add a touch of ChatGPT magic? ChatGPT is another remarkable AI tool that can assist you in crafting captivating proposals. Utilize ChatGPT to compose your proposals with finesse. Additionally, including a sample of your work is an absolute game changer. It's akin to showcasing your skills, and clients appreciate getting a glimpse of what they can expect. A well-crafted sample can significantly enhance your chances of securing the job. When sending that proposal, make sure you exude friendliness, confidence, and a touch of professionalism. Display your personality and let your passion for transcription shine through. Establishing a personal connection with the client can make all the difference. Trust me on this one. Now, if you're enjoying this video and want more valuable money-making ideas, don't forget to hit that bell, like, and subscribe to our channel to remain up to speed on our latest material. Moving on to step 4, sell your services on freelancing websites. Instead of limiting yourself to selling your freelancing services solely on Upwork, why not explore the vast array of freelancing websites available? The key to maximizing your earnings lies in offering your transcription skills on multiple platforms. Conduct a quick search for freelancing websites and you'll discover numerous options to choose from. One fantastic choice is People Per Hour, a bustling platform where freelancers offer diverse services. Transcription is in high demand here, so be sure to sign up and let potential clients discover your exceptional skills. Let's also not overlook the mighty Fiverr, a thriving marketplace where freelancers can set up shop and showcase their services. Fiverr boasts a wealth of clients hungry for excellent transcriptions, making it an ideal platform for you to thrive. If you're up for friendly competition, Fiverr is the place to be. It's a virtual battleground where freelancers from various backgrounds can flex their skills and win gigs. Transcription is just one of the many services you can offer, so don't hold back. And hey, let's not underestimate the power of LinkedIn Services Marketplace. It's a professional playground where you can showcase your skills, connect with potential clients, and secure valuable transcription gigs. Leveraging your network and making meaningful connections is the key here. Remember, There is high demand for transcription services, and these platforms make it incredibly convenient for you to find jobs and charge accordingly for your hard work. Dive in, demonstrate your skills, and watch the opportunities roll in. Step 5. Promote your transcription services on social media. This step focuses on harnessing social media's power to expand your transcription business's reach. Imagine scrolling through your favorite social media platform, be it Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, or even TikTok. Social media is brimming with opportunities just waiting for you, making it the perfect platform to showcase and promote your transcription services. First, you must let the world know you're a transcription master. Share a post, write a tweet, or create a captivating video highlighting your skills. Let your personality shine through and clearly communicate why you are the go-to person for transcription needs. Here's a valuable tip. Consistency is vital. Make it a habit to regularly share helpful tricks, tips, or snippets of your work. You'll leave your audience wanting more by offering a taste of your transcription magic. Engagement is crucial. Take the time to reply to comments, answer questions, and genuinely show interest in the needs of your audience. Building relationships is paramount, as it significantly contributes to establishing your reputation as a master transcriptionist. Also, consider joining transcription-related groups or communities on social media. This lets you learn from others, showcase your expertise, and connect with potential clients. And let's not forget the power of live video. Host a Q&A session, conduct a mini transcription tutorial, or provide a behind-the-scenes look at your transcription process. Leveraging the power of live video can be highly effective in spreading the word about your transcription services. Seize the social media stage and let your transcription business shine. Utilize social media as a megaphone to announce to the world, "Attention everyone, I'm here and I'm exceptional at what I do." Showcase your skills, share your experiences, and engage with your audience. Remember, it's all about building relationships, showcasing your expertise, and attracting those dream clients. Social media offers an incredible opportunity to earn significant revenue through your transcription business. As we reach the end of this transformative journey, it's important to reflect on the profound impact this beginner-friendly method can have on your life. By embracing the power of automation, leveraging innovative tools, and tapping into your unique talents, you have the potential to unlock a world of financial freedom, personal fulfillment, and limitless possibilities. Through the steps we've explored, from harnessing AI tools for transcription to offering your services on freelancing platforms, expanding your reach through social media, and showcasing your expertise, you've armed yourself with a comprehensive arsenal of strategies to thrive in the modern digital landscape. What sets this approach apart is its inclusivity. It doesn't discriminate based on background, education, or prior experience. It empowers anyone with the drive and determination to take control of their financial future. It provides a platform for individuals to showcase their skills, establish their reputation, and attract clients who recognize the value they bring. Remember, success doesn't happen overnight. It requires perseverance, dedication, and an unwavering belief in your abilities. Embrace every challenge as an opportunity for growth and view setbacks as stepping stones toward greater achievements. The path to financial success is not without obstacles, but with the knowledge and tools you've acquired, you possess the resilience and adaptability to overcome them. As you embark on your journey, never underestimate the power of continuous learning. Stay curious, seek new technologies, and stay abreast of industry trends. The landscape is ever evolving, and by remaining open to growth and expanding your skill set, you position yourself as a forward-thinking professional ready to tackle future challenges. Finally, always remember the profound impact you can have on others through your work. Each transcription you deliver presents an invaluable contribution to individuals, businesses, and communities. By providing accurate and reliable transcriptions, you're helping to bridge communication gaps, enhance accessibility, and enable others to access vital information. So, my friend, go forth with confidence and purpose. Embrace this beginner-friendly method as a springboard for your personal and professional growth. Let your passion shine through in everything you do, and never lose sight of the incredible potential within you. Your journey toward financial success starts now, and I'm excited to witness the remarkable accomplishments that lie ahead. Believe in yourself, embrace the possibilities, and let your transcription business become a beacon of prosperity, fulfillment, and endless opportunities. So seize this method's opportunities, but also remember to stay vigilant in your pursuit of knowledge and improvement. Embrace the vast array of available tools and technologies, constantly seeking new and exciting ways to enhance your online ventures, expand your reach, and ultimately achieve your goals. The potential for success is boundless when you combine innovative tools with your creativity, passion, and entrepreneurial spirit. And best of luck out there. And that's a wrap. We hope you found this video beneficial and exciting. Remember that there are several online money-making opportunities, and if you want to learn more, check out our other videos. Do not forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell for more tips and ideas on expanding your online presence and turning your interests into a profitable business. We thank you for sticking around, and we will see you in the next one.